Shorten up your Google Drive link is a pretty simple thing to do, and in this video I will be guiding you how you guys can do it. So if you're new to the channel, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So let's dive right into the video. So what you guys can do is simply go ahead and copy the drive link, whichever link you want to copy. For example, here you guys can see that one of the videos that I'm gonna copy the link for. Here I'm gonna copy the my video link that is in my drive, and right now I'm just gonna go ahead and paste it over here. So here you guys can see that this is the bitly.com. You can simply get into this website by searching up bitly and then go ahead and click on their website. I will be providing a link in the description below so you guys can check it out. So all you guys have to do is actually get into the website, paste your link, and then get your link for free. Once you'll click on this, it will take you to the page where you won't need to sign up to your account. You can either create an account or simply sign up with your Google account. So by doing so, you'll be able to simply shorten up your link. For example, I'm going to go with my Google account, and once I've done that, I will be able to shorten up my links. So here you guys can see that I have shortened up my link, and this is the new link. If I click on this link, it will take me to the exact link that is underneath it. So this is how I can do it. I hope you find this really helpful. If you do, please subscribe to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.